Okay, welcome for those who are in YouTube. Welcome everyone. How's everyone doing? Kamusta yung ano natin? Trading session so far. So for the past few days, okay, I was giving out giveaways, diba, of $100, right? $100 everyone for 5 lucky winners yon. So total of $500 tig-isa-isa-isa sila. And yeah, and for the past few days, at the same time, I was giving you guys some updates with Bitcoin. You know, even before we start the giveaways itself, I always give you updates with Bitcoin because it's very important, like what I told you, diba? And I know you guys who are watching my live every night, may it be in TikTok or may it be in YouTube, you should be at least well informed, diba? O informed kayo sa possible na breakdown or possible correction that's going to happen. And right now, it is currently happening. Again, welcome for those who got in sa TikTok, sa YouTube. Welcome. Sit back, relax, okay? We just started our live. Okay, so for those who are in TikTok, okay, those who doesn't know, you guys can watch my screen full screen, ha? Full screen po. Okay? Full screen yan. And that is in YouTube. Just look for today's date, December 20th. Today is gonna be very important. As I'm gonna be talking about Bitcoin, diba? What to expect with Bitcoin now? Is Bitcoin gonna be is this the end of bull market? Diba? Is it the end of bull market? But so far, we guys have been spot on. I'm talking spot on tayo, guys. So far with our reading with the market, yes. From the dito, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or our channel that is happening in here. And what did I told you? The moment the E leg, diba, finishes up, let me just like plot that in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. The moment the E legs finishes up, what to expect? Highly rejection, and I'm never wrong. I'm telling you guys, I can say it confidently. You guys have seen it with me for days. Yoki, ang sakit ng portfolio ko. Yeah? Hello, Mr. Usman. Neil Madugo. Mapula-pula sa market. Ken, good evening. Good evening. Yes. Welcome yung mga sa TikTok and for those who are in YouTube, guys. Right? So, like I said, when it comes to Elliott wave, I called the E leg. Once this forms, high likely we're gonna have a rejection and a correction. And what happens after that? Did you guys react properly? Because we were waiting for it. When we were in, yung mga nasa Telegram, we were waiting for it, for this to happen. Had this whole event from here to here, possibly till here, we were waiting for it since what? Since 101 Bitcoin. Diba? Tapos na kaya bull run? Who knows? That's what we're gonna talk about. Okay, so let's go over, see in YouTube right now. Good evening, Dustin. Good evening. Yes, Roars, let's go. TJ, yes, good evening. Mitcha, welcome, Mitcha. We also have Darling, Mohanatasan. Good evening, everyone. So as you guys can observe, it's not just, Filipinos who are in here in our live tonight. We have some people outside. So I welcome you guys in our community right now. So for those who are in, just a sec. Okay. So if you guys, as you guys can observe, I'm speaking in English, right? But guys, I can understand, nakakaintindi po ako ng Tagalog. So, do not be, don't be shy or don't get hesitated na mag-type in of any of your questions sa Tagalog. Nakakaintindi po ako. Alright? It's just that I really have to speak lang in English because, I have some people from outside, right, that are watching our live. So, Amber Kun, good evening. Mark, yes. TJ, salo lang sa mga nakasale na alts. That's good. Okay, hanggang saan babagsak si Bitcoin? Did you guys thought of that when I was speaking that when at 101? Yeah. Don't worry, I'm gonna be discussing that tonight. Okay? Possible levels. Bitcoin it's really happening. I guess this is really happening now. Since December 15th, okay? And up to the December 16th, I told you. What did I say to everyone? Watch out for the day of December 16th to December 17th. This is December 17th, everyone, no? Okay, this date, if you guys can see right here, yung E na yan, the last candle right here. This one, December 17th candle. What happened? We got the reversal. Yes, we got the reversal right there. And so far, market has been going down. And Bitcoin, let's see. It has dropped for 15% now. Lakihan natin ito para kita nyo, no? There you go. 15% drop for Bitcoin, everyone. Ma'am, ikaw po ba yung sa akin ng business proposal about sa investments sa stocks po? No. No, Shammer. I told you guys, I do not message you first. That is why if you want to talk with me, for example, saan yan? If you guys want to talk with me, alright? You guys, this is the only way that you can connect with me. This is my Instagram, Mayari Capital. Take a screenshot of it right now para safe kayo. And as you guys can see, one and only account po yan. And I do not message you first. You message me first, diba? That is for your safety. Sige? End na ng bull market ngayon. That's what we're gonna talk about, Gobert. Okay? Where were we? Adlib, good pa din po ba mag-short? If you can find some entry for you, go ahead. But that is not my, I'm playing the longer play dito. So, top is in na po ba? Okay, so lots of questions coming in. Don't worry, I'm gonna get it, I'm gonna get it answered for you guys. Alright, so anyways, before we start our Bitcoin live session, please hit the like button right now. Okay? Please hit the like button, everyone. Let me see that for those who are in TikTok, for those who are in YouTube, and of course, yung mga bagong pasok sa TikTok natin, for those who doesn't know and want to see my screen, full screen talaga, I recommend you guys to go in YouTube, Mayari Capital, and watch the today's live, December 20th. Pwede nyo po yung i-replay. Just in case may na-miss kayo. Diba? Full screen po yan dyan. Just for example, yan, no? And much, much clearer yung view nyo. Sige? Alright, so ready everyone? Ready? Okay, let's start. Okay. Alright, let's start everyone. Bitcoin. Let me just do I don't like this watermark, to be honest. But I'm just doing it so you guys would be able to see, diba? What time frame ito? This is the ticker, Bitcoin against USDT. This is the pair. And this right here is the daily. This is the time frame. So if I shift to 4 hour, obviously everything will show. Okay, for our mga newbies natin dyan, or so you guys can see na. Anyways, So, listen up. Let me try to open my, ano dito? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, there we go. Let's open our Bitcoin. Okay, let me remove everything. I'm gonna talk with you about this very clearly. Okay, very clearly. Because as you guys can see, at right here, ito yung clear na chart natin, 'di ba? For the past few days at least. Asan na yun? What's happening with this? Okay. 1, 2. Alright. Tanggalin ko to. Okay? So, etong chart na to, I've explained with you, diba? But now, let's open a clear, much clear chart dito. Let's open BTC. Is this BTC index? BTC, open Bitcoin index. Should be here. Alright? Okay, that's much more clearer. Let's open the weekly time frame. Okay. Weekly time frame, guys. Let me clear this out na. No, actually, wait lang. Because this is good. Ito, yung ano natin. Listen up. So, as you guys can observe, diba? Previous all-time high. Let's talk about the previous bull market na lang. Okay? Previous bull market started roughly around this area, right? But we guys can see that there's an exact 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 waves right here. Diba? So, yung last push natin dito, this was April 21, and that's usually the top. But then, by historical levels and historical values of Bitcoin, usually the cycle tops around this area. So, did anyone saw this coming? Not really, to be honest. So, this November top was actually new to the Bitcoin cycle. But then again, if you'll count it by Elliott waves, it is there. Literally, it is there. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, an extended fifth wave dito. Right? Exactly the same as, what I have predicted for the past few days. Now, you know what will happen? 1, let me try to open this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Miss, what do you mean by, that fifth wave? Okay, I'll show you. This is on the weekly time frame. Let's open our daily. I'll show you. Ito, but this one is it's a much more clear and better wedge na formation. I'll show you And what did I say? The moment that last leg A, B, C, D, and E. Can you guys see this E? Yeah? So, end agad. Kakasimula pa lang. Diba? So, leg E to the upside. Are you guys familiar? Does it look familiar? Diba? Miss, does that look familiar? Wait, let me show you Let me show you today's date. So, this is December 15th. I told you, since the A pa lang, dito pa lang tayo, di pa ito na-form. I expected it to have the same formation as this one. Due to the fact na very extended yung pag-push natin. And there was no correction since then. Diba supposedly, ma'am, impulse yung subcycle ng wave 5? Nah, doesn't work like that. Okay? So, where were we? A, B, C. Can you guys see? So, yeah. Now, what happened after that? Right? What happened after that? Ito, I'll show you, What happened after that? Boom. Get the breakout? Yeah? Again, guys, if you would like to watch the screen full screen, I recommend you to watch it in YouTube. Okay, there you go, Mayari Capital. Today's date, December 20th. Para makapag-ano din kayo, makapag-replay kung gusto niyo. Sige? So, now, moving forward right here, what happened? Market, okay, corrected. So, let's try to count how many days has this one been. 21 days. After that, another drop happens. Why do you think that one is happening? First of all, guys, this tanggalin ko to, but I'm gonna put another dito. This one was the third wave. Okay? And right here was the second wave. And wala pa po tayong fourth wave. So, do you guys really expect that the fourth wave is tanggalin ko to. Yan. You guys expect that the fourth wave is gonna be out of out of this runs from here all the way till there. Okay? Be honest. Can you guys see any correction from the 2 to 3? Can you guys see any correction? Is there any correction? Let me see. If you guys are, wala. So, let me see. I would like to see if you guys Julio Martinez Super Cycle. Yeah, I'll tell you about that later. Sige. Wala po. Exactly. So, now, diba? I've been telling you guys dito, expect Bitcoin to have a 30% maximum drop at least. From the top to here, this is the current date of Bitcoin natin. From the top to there, 30% saan yung sitting price niyan? Roughly around 74. 74, 76, anywhere around these ranges. Again, do not expect me to give you an exact miss 71.998. It doesn't work like that. All right? So, roughly around these ranges, guys. I know, yung mga bulls natin dyan, yung mga na-late, mga na-FOMO, diba? It looks very, possibly ba yung, is that possible that's gonna happen? Right? Is that possibly gonna happen? Right? Guys, it's been there for history. Can you guys see this? Let me move this one right here. Yeah? Fourth wave. I'm telling you, market moves in waves. Yeah? So, fourth wave. And if I'll show you guys, market corrected for 50, almost 50%. And that was, ang lalim niyan. Ang lalim niyan. I'm only giving it maximum 30% on this drop. Right? So, with that said, Miss, why just 30%? Diba? So, as we are talking about the history of Bitcoin now, and the cycle, so, let me try to move forward right here now of what is happening. Let me take this out. Diba? So, this one has now happened. And then right here, let's do the fifth wave. Yeah, now I'm talking with you about super cycle, right? And then we have the A, B, C, D, and E. Ayan guys, so A, B, C, D, and E. Clear? And now we have the 1, claro, 2 is roughly around this area. Very quick lang. And rule of alternation for our Elliott wave is there as well. Fourth. And then the third is right here. Miss. So, last na ba to? Yeah? Is this the end of bull market, everyone? Let me know. What do you guys think? Is this the fifth wave? Is it? Let me know in the comment section. We got the literal similar pattern, diba? Of everything. Are we now gonna go down? Yeah? So, miss, if we count the 30%, diba? And I'll show you guys since the start of this impulse to the upside, from this to here. Let me ask you again. Dito din. From there to there. Do we have any correction? What do you think? Is there any correction, everyone? It sounds diba? But you guys have to be logical dito. And that being logical was able to make us, protect our capital and at the same time prepare for the positions. Yes? Yes? So, if we count the worst case scenario, maximum Bitcoin, at least it will touch the high of the third. At least. And that is like from the top, that's gonna count as roughly at 33. So 30 to 33% Bitcoin drop. And this is the normal drop that I am expecting for, for for it to happen. But now, do you guys, miss, do you think so? Is market really over now? Are we now like gonna go down, down, down like that? Let me tell you, I don't think the market is over yet. Okay? So, I don't think. May nakita ako. Just praying that it will go back to my entry. Sige, mag-pray ka po. Sige? I'm not mocking that thing, but it's like, we're not gambling in here. But anyways, so, with that said, where were we? Yeah, so I do not think the market is yet over. Okay? Why? Because if we, if this fifth wave was this quick lang, one scenario to happen, one scenario that we can expect is that this one, I'm expecting this to be the first wave, and the second, third, fourth, fifth. Ganito yung mangyayari. Because so far, everyone, the first wave natin, if we talk about invalidations, we literally are more than double the height of the third wave. You guys can see that. Let me do this. 1, 2, and third wave was really parabolic. All the way to 2.618 yan, Now, miss, is there any chance that, that the fifth wave is gonna make a super cycle? High likely, at least for me, if I do it accordingly with the Bitcoin cycle. High likely. So, miss, are you expecting Bitcoin to hit 128, 120, 150, right? You guys, when we were at 30K, guys, did you expect Bitcoin to hit 100K? Yeah, 50%, roughly 50% was like, oh, really, miss, are we gonna hit 100K? Come on, 100K is now the new high, and konting drop lang to 95, di ba? Iyak yung market. So, like I said, I have cleared this before. anything can happen with Bitcoin, and whatever happens, it just happens, guys. It's just Bitcoin. So 170, I'm not gonna give you targets yet around that area. I want you to prepare of what is about to come, which is very important. This section right here, this section right here. So let's go back right now dito. So like I said, I'm expecting this to be a first wave cycle. First wave cycle of the fifth wave. So micro lang to, micro movement. It looks so big, but according to everything right now, it's not it can possibly happen talaga. One, and the third wave being the second longest. And we know that when in a bull market, fifth wave tends to, it can tend to push up pa. So, who knows? Fifth wave might look like this. Miss, baka yung fifth wave, miss, maganito, oh. Let's say, mga roughly ganyan. And then, 3 should be like roughly right there. Fourth, miss, baka yung fifth wave maging ganyan, truncated. Possibly, it can happen. Yung fifth wave of the fifth. Sige? But I know that the third wave is just about to come. And this third wave, you need to ride this. I'm telling you now. Okay? I'm telling you now. This is, it's gonna happen. So, for those who are, I hope this is clear. Yeah? Let me see. Let me see in the comment section. Yes, so Julio, super cycle, that is what I'm expecting. A super cycle that is about to come. That's it. Because if you guys think about it, let's talk about, just a sec, let me pull this out. Our Bitcoin dominance, okay, let me open the weekly. Bitcoin dominance hasn't even, reached the highest potential, to be honest. So, in Bitcoin dominance, guys, that is why for those who are asking, Miss, bakit di pa nag-start yung alt season? Not yet. Okay? 63%. So, can it possibly move higher? Possibly to 63% dito for Bitcoin dominance natin. So, I was watching the control as well. It did not break. Yeah? And in sa, but the beauty is this, I'll show you, I'll show you right now a very beautiful pattern that is happening on our market cap in, what do you call this? 12 hours. This is total Bitcoin. Okay. Yeah, excluding. Right now, Ethereum. Nope. Oh yeah. So Ethereum against Bitcoin right now. For those who doesn't know, guys, Ethereum, I told you before, till now, that it is an underperforming coin so far. Di pa na-reach yung Ethereum high. For those who doesn't know, di pa po tayo we didn't even touch the all-time high for Ethereum, and that's crazy, to be honest, kasi Solana literally Solana outperformed Ethereum. We still have this much to go, from 4,000 all the way to 4,900. So, Miss, is there possibility that we're gonna go up pa? I can tell you yes. And at the same time, we just hit the key level 0.5 right here. And if we talk about Bitcoin against Ethereum, I'll show you the bigger picture. This is a daily time frame. We are literally at the support right now that I was waiting for. Ethereum against Bitcoin, everyone. And dito na po. So, I'm getting ready for Ethereum dito, right? Can you guys see that? Very nice bounce. 1 hour, 4 hours, what is this? A daily time frame, right? So if we can check right now, right? Ethereum is gaining some strength against Bitcoin at least. So if it continues to do that, along with the market cap of altcoin dito natin. Okay, this is the market cap of altcoin. Maximum drop is around 1.15 trillion. It's a very big amount of money if we'll think about it, but like that's like 10%. So from this top, okay, from where we at right now, maximum we can expect, okay, 15%. Market is gonna go more down 15%. That is just the worst case scenario. I'm always giving you the worst case scenario. You guys have to, what's the word for that? Face the reality in here. Diba? It's not just market. If you are just like into like market going up and up and up, you're in delusion. So again, market needs to have those waves. It needs to have some correction. So roughly around this area, we can see that the market cap is having a very nice correction at least. So if we do it according with with the Bitcoin dominance, with the Bitcoin having to hit more to the upside, it should go according like this, oh. Yan, and then bounce up. Sige? I hope that is clear. And this alone covers your altcoins. Okay? This update alone. So if you guys, if you guys wanna watch this part again, I recommend you, for those who are in TikTok, yung mga bagong pasok, you guys, I recommend you to go in the YouTube, Mayari Capital, here you go, and watch the December 20th, today's live. Watch that area again. That alone is gonna tell you what to expect and when to buy altcoins. So far, I have positioned some of, very small amount sa mga coins na, I saw it was on the level. But literally, for example, yung mga nasa Telegram trades natin ngayon dito, sino yung mga nanonood? Yeah? Let me know right now. Hni, thank you sa insights, ma'am. You're welcome. Doc, Herbs, ako. Praying na mag-send si Miss Mayari ng pamasko. I gave out a lot, Hazel Hard. But soon enough, I'm gonna do the Christmas, but right now, guys, my mind is way too focused with the market. So, yung sa giveaway natin, we could have, dito, the drop sana. But anyways, hello po, nakahabol sa live, Rex. Yes, you can watch you can watch the live again. Sige, don't worry. Okay, so, where were we? Yeah, ayan. So, we have some people from Telegram. So some of the trades natin, diba? Let me try to open it. One. Okay? One of the trades natin was Manta. Let me try to open this. Trades right here. Manta. Okay, and let's try to open the 4 hours. It's very funny. Very funny for Manta. Right? I'll show you. Like I said, everything I do in here, guys, everything is by TA. We took an entry for Manta. And as you guys can see, Manta is in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if I'm not mistaken, this is hitting the A, B, and C now. And the thing is this. It should not, let me show you. It should not invalidate the wave 2. Okay, and dito yung wave 2 natin. Okay, and so far, at least hindi pa naman siya na-touch, no? So that was the low of it talaga. And we got an entry for Manta for long positions, right? So for those who are watching in YouTube right now, For those who are in TikTok that is not in Telegram, you can count this as a free trade for you. Manta is at the supply zone. So it is at the supply zone. That is up to if you want to get Manta, but do your own risk. Okay? That is up to you. Do your own risk management. I'm not gonna teach that anymore. Alright? So, ano na, be responsible with your trade. Do your own analysis. Okay? This is a free guide for you to take if you'd like. So as we guys can see, Manta is literally hitting the very last. Yan o, yan yung pinaka-maximum. So if you guys can observe, let's open our trades right now. Dito. Yan ha. Yung mga, kasi may, obviously, I understand you guys are asking, why did we took long positions? Not all coins, okay? Not all coins you see in the market are moving the same way. Some are in their buying point na. Some are still waiting to drop, right? If you guys can observe that. So, as you guys can see, Manta, how much more can it possibly drop? Maximum, I'm talking 50% negative in here. That much only. Just 50%. So, now, 100, right? 22% down right now on Manta. So, can you guys see the bounce? This is a 4-hour candle, ha? Right? 4-hour candle, and we can see how much Manta reacted around this area. So, Miss, bakit tayo nag-enter? Because we entered the green or the buying zone right here. Let me try to, yan. Pumasok na tayo sa golden level, everyone. That was our buy zone for Manta. At least for me. That's why I took the trade. And the worst case scenario, it happened. Sige, it happened with Manta. Worst case scenario natin dito. But like, again, I said everything is calculated. Pag wala ka po sa Telegram, I recommend you to be there. Market might be dropping, but our trades po, we do not have liquidation price. Can you see this? No liquidation price. So it does not matter if market drops even more from here, which I don't think it will with the alts so far. Else, everything is gonna be in the motion of alts. Everything is gonna be disturbed, to be honest. Right now, I think the market will have a push up, a little push up to the upside. Ito, why? Why, miss? Why? I'll show you on Bitcoin. Okay, now, Bitcoin has been dumping for the past 3 days. And so far, that much we go up, that much we go down like this as well. Bitcoin needs to have that, correction. And that correction, I'm expecting, still, diba, we were expecting at the 105. But that did not happen. We literally broke the trend line. So the next control for us to watch is roughly around this area. And at the same time, this is the possible next correction for Bitcoin at 100. Sige? At 100. Now, we're gonna see, I'm gonna check how's the market, how's the candlestick, okay? And then possibly go down like that. So what will happen? It will have that small bounce effect with the altcoins. But the major concerning for me is this. We broke the control, everyone. So even if we do the retrace from here, you guys have to be still on alert mode. Okay? And this is gonna go on till, I guess, ito, yung green line natin. Can you guys see this? This green line is January, let me double check. January 5th. Okay, or January 4th. So this can happen. It can be a cycle. It can be like this. Oh, it can be like an A, B, C, like that. D, sorry. Yeah, somewhat like that. Till December, sorry, January 5th. Roughly around that area, at least. So clear with Manta. So with Manta, everyone. Okay. Now, what else? What else was our trade? Yeah, ING. ING on the other hand, I'm gonna try to open that. That, by the way, everyone, that is in a really nice position. ING is the same as Manta, everyone. But it just that it dropped way, way lower than I expect. Uh, way lower to be honest. So I guess on the lower time frame, did I miss anything on the lower time frame? But a normal coin could not, okay, it cannot possibly, drop like that much. Okay, if we take account on the trend line like this, that makes sense. One, okay, just a sec. Okay, 2, 3, everyone can see this trend line has been a resistance for, for ING. And did we just did that to test ING? Possibly. So what I need Manta to do now, okay, what I needed to do now is the daily time frame closing at least above this level, above this previous high of this area. That's it. That's it. I need it to close above that area. Because who knows, diba? Again, in altcoins, it's not like your traditional movement on like stocks that, oh, pag ganyan na invalidated na kagad. There will be weeks talaga that can happen like this. So, can you guys see this? Yeah, like this. It can happen in altcoins. So, you have to give that a benefit of the doubt. So, who knows? It might just tested the previous trend line. Itong white trend line natin. Okay? But since then, okay, you're still holding ING. So be prepared lang for those who are in my Telegram, okay, for the upcoming trades. For those who doesn't know, we have a Telegram group right here that you guys can, I literally put my own account dito. Naka-live po yan. So everything is very transparent in here. So this one is just an example. Diba? Like I told you, Manta. Yan. Everything is there. Okay? Margin, leverage, everything. So that is why, and at the same time, nasa guidelines din namin of how to take the trades and how to develop no liquidation price for us. Sige? So, let's see. So far, guys, I am not gonna be overexposing our positions or our account muna with the market, given that, Bitcoin might possibly, I'm thinking if I'm gonna close our short position with Bitcoin or hold it, right? But anyways, I'm gonna announce that sa Telegram natin. For those who doesn't know, Telegram po is $50 for 1 year na po yun. That's a 1 year access, everyone. Okay, for Telegram. So if you wanna get into that, you can message me in my Instagram. This is my Instagram right now. Okay, take a screenshot right now. That's it. And then I do not message you first, like I always say. And that is for your safety. This is my one and only account, everyone. Okay, you can take a screenshot right now. Thank you guys for liking the live. What do you guys think of this insight so far with crypto? It's very important to know both sides and which side is, has the higher probability of moving. And we were anticipating that since before December 16th. Yeah, at 101. And then we got the drop. So now, let's see. At the 4 hour of Bitcoin, like I said, diba? 1 hour, 2 hour, it's gonna have this one, when we were here, December 19, I told you, it's gonna have that another push like this. 1, 2, 3, and what happened? What happened? This is now happening. So this push can possibly now be the trigger point of Bitcoin having the correction to the upside. So I'm watching it very closely. The 4 hour will, I will just like follow this up. But the daily, I told you the daily looks so weak. And I told you that if it was strong, nung nag-green dito, hindi yan mag-flip kagad ng ganyan. And the 2-day talaga, yung 2-day, it looks very ugly. Yeah, this area, and then this one. Looks very ugly. And after that, what happened? It dropped. Yeah. So, divergences is there. Obviously, divergences will always show at the very end. Daily, 4 hours. Yeah, 4 hours, still moving. I'm just keeping it at that. But yeah, A, B, C, D, and E is now complete. I am now preparing for the next phase of this. This is officially now the correction I can see. We just literally broke the control. How sumali sa Telegram? Ito po. Message me in my Instagram, Mayari Capital, Telegram access. Sige, Telegram access, ayun sa baba din nandyan. Right? So, let's see. Yan, Manta is slowly recovering. That's good. I needed to have a quick bounce, which I'm expecting it will do along with ING. I explained to you guys, diba? The level that I what is that? Anticipating it to close. Manta at the same time, yes. Manta, at least so far, for Manta, everyone. Just hit the very low. The same talaga sila na And it's a good thing we did not invalidate the second natin dito, second cycle. Else this one is not gonna be an impulse, but a whole move of this is gonna be based off dito. Yeah, but so far that did not happen. Okay. I'm telling you, altcoins have no chance when Bitcoin does its correction. 46% drop na tayo. For DOT, okay, DOT, really good price. We went till 6 for DOT. And DOT, structural lang in a structural aspect, compare sa Manta and ING kanina. DOT is in a perfect structure. Can you guys see? Pasok sa golden level natin. Did not invalidate second wave natin. Did not invalidate our Fibonacci. So you can say in terms of like fundamentally, fundamentals of the technical analysis, pasok na pasok talaga yung DOT. Very good move. It's very easy to track for the DOT. So I might take some positions with that. I don't want to buy, or who knows, I might buy more spots sa DOT. I actually have a couple of USDT to buy in some coins. And that is what I'm looking at since earlier to get into. Maximum of Ethereum was what? 3,100. Like I told you, Maximum 3,000 to 3,200. And worst case scenario is 2,800 for Ethereum at least. 124. Yeah, ito. Worst case scenario is roughly here, 2,800. Ano strat mo, ma'am? Price action po. Where were we? Yeah, that's it, I guess, for DOT, for Ethereum, and Bitcoin. Anyways, do you guys have any other questions? Let me know in the comment section right now. Please let me know, is that clear? Is Bitcoin dropping? Let me see. A very small move. Okay. Let me know in the comment section right now. Does anyone has any... Ang miss hanggang saan ang the drop ng that? Maximum for that 5.7, Carl. Base of TA yun. Maximum at least 5.7. But, you know, so far we're getting good bounce at 6. So 6, you can say, if we test the 6 again, if ever, 6.00 talaga, near the 00, I'll give you price. Roughly around that area. It's a good area for you to have a buy positions. Why? Can you guys see? That much we dropped, but that much we reacted. So far, out of all of these coins, none has reacted that much. And that, like I said, if this is an ABC, a 3-count normal cycle, it's gonna look like this. If it's not if it's not a normal cycle, if it's gonna play according to Bitcoin, it's gonna look like this, guys. So 3, and then another push of E. Yan. Now I'm really giving you. I don't think it's gonna go the maximum lower again. It's like 5.7. Sige. Carl Alcantara, mag 100k pa Bitcoin tonight. All I know is that there's gonna be a correction that's possibly gonna happen. But I'm not quite sure if that's gonna be tonight. Who knows? Because so far pressure. Let me check. Nah. Not so. 2, 3, 4. Not yet. Dun, dun, dun. No, I don't think so. Not yet. 98, possibly high 97. We'll see. Mabagsak pa kaya, madam? Kasi di ako nakabili kanina. Saan? Sa mga trade na binigay ko? How much more do you guys want it to drop? Like, I'm seriously asking. How much more are you guys waiting for it to drop, you know, all the way? For example, ito, Manta, ha? How much more are you guys waiting for it to drop? Dito? Dito? Right? Was this drop from here to here, which is almost 40? Actually, it did a 46% drop. Na? Is it not enough to position yourselves? No, at least logically, diba? So, I don't know. It might drop. It might not drop. Who knows? But all I know is that Bitcoin, I've already said it earlier. Bitcoin, I'm expecting it to hover till January 5. Alts can do the same or might not do the same. Like I've explained you guys, if you see the total market cap of altcoins right now, everything is sitting at a very nice correction pattern. At the same time, Ethereum, Bitcoin is at a buying position price. So I don't know, that's up to you. But I myself, I am positioning myself now. Small, very small calculated positions so far. Seaweed, wala ka atang energy today, miss. And for these days, napagod ako guys, ano guys sa paraffol. Pag-giveaway natin nun, mas nakakapagod yung pag-giveaway. Like, literally, after the giveaway, nagutom talaga ako. Uh-huh. Basta bear market low energy din ako. Let's see. Market is literally doing the things that we were anticipating it for the last few days, guys. So, congratulations yung mga, nasunod or did their own research, did their own dior, diba? WE, what's gonna happen? Market drop. Now we're gonna have that correction. So far, Bitcoin is doing 15%, like I said. Maximum we can expect is 31. Yeah. Again, guys, I'm not live every day. Sometimes every day. Sometimes may mga times na hindi talaga. So, what I can recommend you guys to do is message me in my Instagram to get the Telegram access. Alright? Because there talaga guys, every day, I update. Every day, doesn't matter. Especially mga very important na every day I update in here. That is up to you. Okay? So, right here, you guys can join our community. We have chats as well for you to, get into. Right here. Right? So, like, as you guys can see, I post charts as well in here. Right? Kanina, we were anticipating it. So, whatever I speak in the live, usually, usually summary na siya and like the main point